Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to make iPhone brightness stop changing. If your iPhone brightness keeps changing, it's usually due to automatic adjustments. Features like auto brightness and true tone can modify the screen based on lighting. You can turn these off to keep brightness stable. To begin, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Accessibility, choose Display and Text Size. Scroll down to find Auto Brightness. Toggle Auto Brightness off. Now go back to Settings, tap Display and Brightness. Turn off True Tone. Check if Night Shift is enabled. Tap Night Shift. Turn it off or adjust the schedule. Return to Display and Brightness. Manually set your preferred brightness level. Restart your iPhone to apply changes. Tip: low power mode can also dim your screen. Disable it via Settings, Battery, if needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.